So this is how you remove the oil filter of John Deere GX355 ride-on mower.
Yeah, that's
Good for towing. It's boogered.
yeah, I think.
And there's another issue here. As you can see, that one.
Yeah, well, it's
And then also, where is that? The main issue. This one. Where is that? This one is out of center. So we don't know. I mean, I don't know how to straighten that up. For now, we'll just do the easy bit. Easy if you're stronger.
Who says it's easy? Look at me. I got no strength in. Oh, there it is.
There.
I got no strength in my bloody.
So the size of the spanner is, you will figure it out because it's rusty.
Well, this is smaller than this one.
Okay, that's good. It's like 15, 16.
Yeah, I just grabbed a heap of big spanners.
The other one is 3/4.
Okay.
Oops, it's leaking.
That's all right. Oh, shit.
So we just hope the one that you both will fit there, because the fan did not fit.
Be positive. We don't make mistakes
Okay.
very often. Only on Saturdays. Oh, today's Saturday. Oh, gotcha, you Plicamondo. Now,
Okay.
right now, it's an AM 120916, which I remember is the right one.
Okay.
Okay, so
You can put it here.
I get the.
And then the other filter is this one.
Yeah, but let's do one at a time.
Okay, I'll get the spare
But
part.
yeah,
So that's the new part.
yeah, let's hope. Now, did you take a picture before we took it apart?
I think so.
Okay, this must be the one.
It fits, and congratulations. Which one?
Oh, the 4 spanners, the 4. They all ones we need. Shit. Yeah, I keep that. Well, I don't know where you want that to show, do you?
You don't really need to show it.
Now, fortunately, which was the one? This one.
1 So consider subscribing because we're not finished yet. There's a lot of things to do with this mower. So for this time, only the filter, oil filter, engine oil filter. There's a lot of filter. There's somewhere. Where's that? The other side.
Oh, they're the same. That's unusual. That's not right.
Yes. That one is a filter too, but it's not in the engine. What you looking for?
I've got somewhere. I got the wrong size spanner again.
Okay.
Can you hand me up one of those other spanners there? There's something not right. That's why I haven't.
So let's do the shifter.
Yeah. Oh shit.
We call that adjustable. And
We're not
because this
American.
one is this bigger, that's why the Spaniard doesn't fit anymore.
Yeah, well, this spanner fits here,
Yeah.
but one of these spanners fitted the end of the filter. Okay, now
It's a good one.
let's.
Normally you use an Allen key there.
No, it's a square drive. It's not a. It's a square. See?
Square drive
It's
Allen.
no, an Allen's a hex.
Ah, okay.
Oh,
Ouch,
careful.
ouch.
Yeah. Got to get
Square drive. Let's look for it.
Why was it down there?
So that's 1/2.
Yeah, this is half. It's 3/8 in here, but this thing here, I just thought I might have been able to. Jesus Christ! That's not going to work.
Let's look another thing.
Be screwed.
Okay,
So
we'll leave it for now because we cannot find a proper square for that.
It's proper, but
It's just
it sees it away, and because it's plastic, if
Yeah.
we ruin that, we're stuffed,
Yeah.
and we can't do anything. So we'll just leave it.
okay. We'll leave it for now. Consider subscribing in this video because we still have a lot of problem to fix in here. This is like something serious. So for now, ding ding.
Just put all this stuff in.
You may continue watching. This is not part of fixing. We'll just put it down. Okay. I need to lean.
Yeah, can you hold it?
Yeah.
Right, turn around.
Yep.
I'm going to drive forward.
Hmm. It's heavy. Oh my goodness. Oops. Oh my god. Okay, ding ding.